If you've ever wanted to make your money work smarter while also grabbing some free cash on the side, then you're going to love this. Today I'm going to show you how to find and apply a Trade Republic promo code so you can unlock your Euro 10 cash bonus and even earn more by referring your friends. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to click the Trade Republic link that activates your bonus. Then, sign up and open your account. The setup is quick and simple. Just provide your basic details and download the app. Once your account is ready, deposit any amount within 21 days. Doesn't matter how big or small, just make sure you do it on time. As soon as that's done, Trade Republic will give you 10 euros straight into your account as a welcome bonus. And here's where it gets even better. After your account is set up, you'll get your very own referral link. This means you can invite friends, and for each one who signs up and funds their account, you'll get another 10 euros. You can invite up to 40 friends, so the rewards can add up fast. Imagine sharing the bonus with your buddies while also stacking up your own rewards. That's a win-win. So there you go. That's how you find and apply a Trade Republic promo code and turn it into real free money. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more simple money hacks, and share this with a friend so you can both grab your bonuses together.